welcome to my crib.
It's not MTV.
Oh, hey YouTube.
Hey.
Welcome to my crib. So, as we enter, the first thing we have is a mountain of shoes. So some of my favourite pairs of trainers, as you guys can see, we have these Reebok Club C's, which...
Times three. Times three?
We didn't ask for your narration, so it's just live it. Okay. Another favourite of mine are these Adidas Super Court somethings.
You don't even know the name of your favourite trainers.
Check the description for the link of these.
I have to move the shoes, I'll just step over them.
So this is the living room. This is the living room. So a little bit about this sofa. It's not sponsored. I wish it was, but biggest waste of money. Every blogger seems to have a green velvet sofa, so I would advise against it.
I want one.
You're ruining. I would advise against this, but this particular sofa is from Swoon. It's not worth the money. It's not great quality. It's not the most comfortable thing I've sat on, but it's hella Instagrammable. So in case it wasn't clear from the title, this video is it's not sponsored by, they just sent me a few prints, so I'm making this video for them, so thank you Desenio. Don't forget to use the code, I'm going to leave it in the description for you to get a little bit of discount, but this is a print by them in my room, living room. This is my Persian rug that I got for my trip to Persia. As we move along to the window, another print. We like this print a lot. I feel very inspired when I look at it. And a few plants, some missing because I have murdered them. New cabinet that I just picked up from IKEA. The kitchen, where not a lot of cooking happens, I'll be honest with you. And in true MTV Crib style, I'm going to show you my fridge. Kodak, please sponsor me. Oh, and Asti, if you want, oh no, they won't like that.
Not sponsored.
Desenio won't like that.
I might love it. Show the chipotle on the counter.
Oh, the Cholula is run out, so we keep it on the counter. But it's fine, we're stocked up. We got some Icona, we got some sriracha, Tabasco, Frank's, Sauce Shop, buffalo sauce, red 666 hot sauce. What's your favourite hot sauce? Let me know in the comments. Next we're going to go into room number 3 out of 600 in this mansion of mine. Step. Into the bathroom. This is where the real magic happens, where you come to recharge so you can eat another meal. Not much else going on in here. So now, this is where the magic happens. Wait, there's shit on the floor I need to clean out. Clean the shit out. We'll do that again. Oh, fuck. Oi! Don't record this bit! It's your shit anyway! Get out! Wait, do they jump on it? Oh, that didn't look sexy.
That's funny.
So this is where the magic happens. Another few prints to get you in the mood. We've got some bums and a boob.
Titties and ass.
Just an ass on this side and behind the camera. And then some more prints along here. We have some abstract figures. Oh. Check out Desenio if you want some cheap prints and to jazz up your room, because honestly this place looked a bit bare without them, so happy to have that. Normally I do have flowers in here. We need to make some more videos before I can afford to put more flowers in, so yeah, that's the end of that. But I do get asked a lot about these drawers. These are from Urban Outfitters. If they're still available, they kind of have them on and off. I will leave the link in the description. And then we have this cute little necklace stand, which I have to say I copied Chloe Plumstead's Instagram, and yeah, that's from Tiger. £3 from Tiger. Oh, and these cute little ring holders, which are all from Oliver Bonus. For you nosy mother chuckers out there, I'll show you what's in these. So the first one, we have foundations and concealers. This is my life, we're not organised. We delve in, we get what we can. There's a few primers and skincare bits, palettes, eyeshadows, eye things for your eyeballs, and more cameras. Nail stuff. For those of you that don't know, I do all of my own nails, so yeah. Lipsticks, and then underneath, this is a hack. This is from IKEA and I've cut it very badly. We can get more things in. And yes, I'm a fan of blisters. If you're watching, you can send me some for free. I don't mind. More makeup, things that are probably I should throw away, but I don't know why. Does anyone else just keep makeup that they know is too old? Why? Why do we do it? We know we're not going to use it. We just don't. I don't know. I don't know why I do this. Hair, lots of hair stuff. Oh, there is one thing I did want to say and show you guys. It's my Sonos. I love this thing. I listen to music 24/7. And I have one in here and one in the living room. And if you're going to get anything from this video, I would say check out the Sonos and the Desenio prints. But the Sonos. And that's it. Get the fuck out there. Peace, get out, get out, get out. That's what it is. Get out, bitch. Get the fuck out.